everyone, Miss Rita here, and welcome to my channel. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Children, today we are going to learn about the chapter number 5, probability. Probability. If I say this word, what's coming in your mind? This is a new word for you. Probability means chances. The number of ways of achieving success or the total number of possible outcome is called probability. Now children, in probability, what is a random experiment? The experiment in which all possible results are known in advance but none of them can be predicted with certainty and there is equal possibility for each result is known as the random experiment, and random experiment is also known as the outcome means result. For outcome, for example, we can take tossing a coin, throwing a die, picking a card from set of card bearing number from 1 to 50, picking a card from a pack of well shuffled playing card, etc. Now student, what is the outcome? Children, if we are tossing a coin, there is a chances of two things, whether it will head or tail. It means there is a two possibility in tossing a coin. Throwing a die. In die, total how many numbers are there? 6. And chances are there to come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 chances are there. And picking a card from a set of card bearing number from 1 to 50. So any number can come from between 1 to 50. It means there is chances of 50. Picking a card from a pack of well shuffled playing card, etc. In the playing card, there are 52 cards are there. The 52 cards, 26 are red card and 26 are black card. In 26 red card also student, there is 13 heart card and 13 diamond card. In the black card, there are 13 club card and 13 spade card. Total altogether is 52 cards in a playing card. Understood? Now student, in the playing card, there are ace. Ace means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 we have joker. We call jack, queen and king. Jack, queen and king are the face card in all the 4 category. There are 3 face card in the heart, 3 face card in the diamond and 3 face card in club and 3 face card in spade. Total how many face cards are there? 12 face cards are there. Now children, now let's start with the practice set number 5.1. The first question is given, how many possibilities are there in each of the following? So the question is given, Vanita knows the following site in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in the summer vacation. Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lona Soravar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli Raigad, Matheran and Anandvan. So student, here how many places are given? Total 8 places are given. So here are possibilities are there. How many? 8 possibilities are there. Now second one is given, any day of a week is to be selected randomly. So in a week, how many days are there, student? 7 days are there. So any day can come. So here total outcomes are there how many? 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. It means there is just 7 possibilities are there. The third one is given, select one card from the pack of 52 cards. So in the pack of 50 cards, there's a 52 cards are there. So possibility will be how much, student? 52 possibility will be there. Now the fourth one is given, one number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. So we have to take number from 10 to 20. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Total 11 numbers are there. So here we have included 10 also and 20 also. It means there's 11 possibilities are there. So the question number 5.1, here only we wrote the number of possibilities. Children, We are going to learn about a sample space. Now, what is sample space? The set of all possible outcome result of a random experiment is called the sample space. It is denoted by the capital S or the sign of Greek letter omega, which is written in the red color. The number of element in the set S is denoted by N stand for number, and in the bracket it is given capital S. So here we read number of S means number of sample space. So number of sample space is finite number sample space. That is not infinite, it is a finite, limited. Like a dice is thrown, there are 6 sample will be there. A coin is thrown, tossed, 2 sample will be there. Means it will be a finite number. Okay. So I think so here you have understood about the sample space. Now let's move to the some example of sample space. One coin is tossed. So here S will be head and tail. There are 2 possibilities. Either it will be a head or tail. Whenever you write a sample space, the brackets will be curly bracket, which is I have done in the screen. So number of S will be, how many elements are there? 2 elements. Number of S will be 2. Now 2 coins are tossed. So here 2 coins are tossed means both will be the head, your head and tail, 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 tail and head. It means that number of sample will be 4. Now student, if 3 coins are tossed means all the 3 coin will be head, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head. Yeah, head one is part is done. Not all the 3 coin is tail, 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 head, tail, head, tail and head, tail, tail. It means total possibility is number of sample is 8. If 1 coin will toss, sample will be 2. If 2 coins are tossed, sample will be 4. If 3 coins are tossed, and the sample will be 8. A die is thrown. Die you know. If a die is thrown, the sample will be the number from 1 to 6. Therefore, number of S will be 6. Understood? Now, some more samples are there. Now, 2 dice are thrown. Both the dice are thrown. It may be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. It may be 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. The next one, the first die will be 4. The next dice will be changed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first dice will be 5. The second dice will be changed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This first dice will be 6. Next dice will change till the 6. Total number of sample means 36 will come if 2 dice are thrown. Now a card is drawn from the pack bearing number from 1 to 25. It means the sample will be from 1 to 25. Therefore the number of sample will be 25. Now 7th one. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. It means that there will be a diamond, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen and king. Same way for the spade, heart and club. So total how many samples are there? 52 samples are there. So here we have learned about the sample space, or we can say sample point. Now let's start with the practice set number 5.2. Children, the question number 1 is given. For each of the following experiment, write sample space S and number of sample point number of S with the denoted letter. The first one is given. 1 coin and 1 die are thrown simultaneously. 1 coin, 1 die. It means sample will be H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 with the head. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So here number of sample will be 12. The second question is given. 2-digit numbers are formed using digit 2, 3, 5 without repeating a digit. Without repeating means like 22, 33 and 55 will not come. Repeated number will not come. So here will form the numbers 23 and 25 from 2. From 3 what we can form? 32 and 35. From 5 what we can form? 52 and 53. So number of sample will be how much? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are samples are given. This figure is given. The arrow is rotated and it stop randomly on the disc. Find out on which color it may stop. There how many colors are given? 6 colors are given. Sample will come red, orange, yellow, blue, green, purple. Sample is how much? 6. Now next one is given. This calendar is given of the March 2019. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means the table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Because the dates are till 30 only. So the date 5 have the Tuesday, 10 have the Sunday, 15 date have the Friday, 20 date have the Wednesday, and the 25 date have the Monday, and 30 date have the Saturday. So as per the days we have to write Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Wednesday, Monday and Saturday. So how many samples are there? 6 samples are there here. The fourth one is given. Form a road safety committee of 2 from 2 boys B1, B2 and 2 girls G1, G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Committee of 2 boys means B1, B2 will come. Committee of 2 girls means G1, G2 will come. So here it is given committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. So B1, G1, B1, G2 will come. And B2, G1 will come, B2, G2 will come. So here committee of 1 boy, 1 girl is formed. Now here we have to write sample. So from B1, how many group we can form? B1, B2, B1, G1, B1, G2. From B1 we are done. B1 will cancel now. Now from B2, B2, G1, B2, G2. Now B2 is cancelled. Now what is it mean? G1, G2. Done. G1 is also cancelled. Now G2 is alone remains. So here G2 will cannot form the committee now. It means total how many committees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Start. We'll explain about the events. The last video we have learned about the sample. Now events, the outcomes satisfying the particular conditions are called favorable outcomes. For example, a bag contains 25 cards. Each card bears only one number from 1 to 25. One card drawn randomly from the bag. Write sample space. Also write the event A, B and find the number of sample points in them. So here student, we have to take a card 1 to 25. So here 2 events are given. Event A is given the number of the card is divisible by 5. Event B is given the number on card is complete square. So first of all we will write a sample S equal to number from 1 to 25. Therefore number of S means sample is 25. A is the event of getting the number on the card should be what? Divisible by 5. So divisible by 5 means the table of 5. So what will come in the table of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 because maximum number is 25. A equal to curly bracket take 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Therefore number of A how much became? How many elements are there? 5. Now second event is given. B is the event of getting on card is a complete square. Complete square means square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16 and square of 5 is 25. Till 25 it is given. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So how many elements are there? 5 elements are there. Therefore number of B event is 5. Now understood the events. Now let's start the exercise 5.3. Write some sample space and number of sample points for each of the following experiment. Also write the event A, B, C. Here 3 events will be given and we have to write the number of A, number of B and number of C. The first question is given. 1 die is rolled. So event, how many are given? 3 events are given. Write the first sample. 1 die means total 6 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of S is 6. Now A is the event of getting the number upper face is even. So here even number is 2, 4, 6. So number of A is, how many elements are there in the A? 3 elements are there. Very good. And the second event is given. B is the event of getting odd number on the upper face. Odd number means the numbers are 1, 3, 5, which is not divisible by 2. So the number of B is also 3 element. Now C event is given. C is the event of getting prime number on the upper face. So here, which are the prime number? 2, 3 and 5. So number of C is 3. 3 elements are there. I hope you have understood. Now second question is given. 2 dice are rolled and the 3 events are given. 2 dice means how many sample will come? Total 36 sample will come. Therefore number of S is 36. So the first event is given. A is the event of getting the sum of the digit on upper face is multiple of 6. Sum of the digit means if we add, like 1 and 1 is given, 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 is divisible by 6? No. So here we have to take divisible by 6. So in the multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24. But maximum number is 6 and 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So here we have to take the sum of 6 and 12. So whose dice is 6 and 12, that number we can take for the multiple of 6. In the first line, 1 plus 1 is 2, it will not come. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, will not come. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So 1 plus 5 will come. In the second line, what will come? 2 plus 4 will come. The third line will come 3 plus 3, 4 plus 2 and 5 plus 1. The last row will come 6 plus 6 is 12. So 1 plus 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1 and 6, 6 are the multiple of 6. Therefore number of A is 6. Now B event is given. The sum of the digit on the upper face is minimum 10. Minimum 10 means lowest 10. If the more it is there, then also okay, means 10, 11, 12, whatever it is there. So whose addition is 10, 11, 12 we can take here. So whose addition is 4, 6 is 10, 5, 5 is 10, 5, 6 is 11, 6 plus 4 is 10, 6 plus 5 11, 6 plus 6 is 12. So these are the number which are minimum 10 means 10 and more than 10 we can take here. So number of B is 6. Now C is the event of getting the same digit on both the faces. Same digit means like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Both the dice have the same digit. So number of C, how many elements are there? Total 6 are there. Understood? Now we'll move to the question number 3. 3 coins are tossed. So here 3 events are given. So first of all we'll write a sample. If 3 coins are tossed, how many samples will come? 8. A is the event of getting at least 2 head. At least means minimum 2 head. So 2 head and more than 2 head will okay. So 2 heads are and more than 2 head means triple H, HST, STH and THH. These 4 will come. So therefore number of A is 4 element. B is the event of getting no head. Means all the 3 coins will be tail. 3 coins will be tail. Number of B is 1. Now student, the third event is given. C is the event of getting head on the second coin. In the second coin should be head. So H, H, H in that second head is coin is head. H, H, T in that also second coin is head. And T, H, H also second coin is head. And T, H, T. So where the second coin is head, then that element we have to take. Therefore number of C element is 4. Understood? 2 digit numbers are formed using the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repeating of the digit condition for event A, B, C is given. First of all we will form the sample space. So 0 we cannot take in the 10 place. So what we can form from 1. 1 0 become 10, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15. Same way we will do with the 2, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25. We cannot take 11, 22, 33, 44, 40, 55 because we have not to repeat the digit over here. From 3 also we can form 30, 31, 32, 34, 35. From 4 what we can form? 40, 41, 42, 43, 45. From 5 what we can form? 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. This way we have formed the number, therefore number of S is 25. First event is given. A is the event of getting. The number formed is even. So even number means the number which is divided by 2, or we can say the number which in the unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there. That number is called even number. So 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52, 54 are the even number. Therefore number of A is 13. Now student, the second event is given. B is the event of getting the number formed by is divided by 3. Divided by 3 means the number which is coming in the table of 3. So 12, 15, 21, 24, 30 is divided by 3. 42, 45, 51 and 54 is also divided by 3. Therefore number of B is 9. C is the event of getting the number form is greater than 50. The 25 sample we have, from that the number which are greater than 50 are 51, 52, 53, 54. Here it is mentioned greater than 50, so we will not count the 50. So how many elements are there? 4 numbers are there. Therefore number of C is 4. Now fifth question. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is to be formed. 3 conditions are given. So 3 men M1, M2, M3 are there. W1, W2 are there. We have to form the committee of 2. From M1 what we can form the committee? M1, M2, M1, M3, M1, W1, M1, W2. Now M1 is we will cut. Now from M2, M3, M2, W1, M2, W2. Now M2 work is also done. Now M3, W1, M3, W2. Now M3 is also done. The last 2 is remain W1, W2. Therefore number of sample space is 10. Now the first event is given. A is the event of getting at least 1 woman. In the committee we have to see whether 1 woman is there. So where is that? M1, W1, M1, W2, M2, W1, M2, W2, M3, W1, M3, W2. Total 7 are there. At least 1 woman. No? So you can take more, 2 women are then also okay. Means W1, W2 also we can take in that. Now condition B is given. 1 man, 1 woman committee to be formed. So here 1 man, 1 woman which are there, we have to take that one. Therefore we have got a number of B is 6. C is the event of getting there should be not to be a woman number. Woman number should not be there. So here we have to take only man. Where only man that we have to take. So here we got number of C is 3. Okay. Now the question number 6 is given. 1 coin and 1 die are thrown simultaneously. Condition for event A, B and C is given. Let the first sample from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 means 1 will be head and the dice will be changed. Then tail become, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 12 samples are there. A is the event of getting head and an odd number. So head and odd number means head we have to take and odd number 1, 3, 5. Therefore number of A is 3. Second event is given. B is the event of getting a head or tail and even number. Head or tail, anything we can take both and even number 2, 4, 6. So H2, H4, H6, T2, T4, T6. Total number of B is 6. Now The C is the event of getting number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. So if you see the sample, last maximum number is 6. No number is greater than 7. So here what will come? Empty box will come. Therefore number of C will be 0. Understood? Probability of any event. In mathematical language, when possibility of an expected event is expressed in number, it is called probability. It is expressed as a fraction or percentage using formula. For example, to get the probability of event A, the formula will be probability of A equal to number of sample point in event A upon number of sample point in sample space. It means number of A upon number of S will be the probability to get the event A. Example, one coin is tossed. So your sample will be one head, one tail. It means number of sample is how much? 2. So here event is given. A is the event of getting one head. A head means one head. So A will be what? H. Therefore number of A is 1. But here we have to find the probability of event A. So we will apply the formula number of A upon number of S. Number of A how much we got? 1 and number of S is 2. Therefore probability of A is 1 upon 2. I hope you understood this formula. Now let's start with the exercise number 5.4. The question number 1 is given. If 2 coins are tossed, find the probability of the following event. So here first of all we will write the sample of 2 coin. Number of sample is how much? 4. So the first event is given. A is the event of getting at least one head. One head means one head or more than one head. So here number of A is how much? 3. So here we have to find what? Probability of A equal to number of A upon number of S. What is the number of A we got? 3 and number of S we got 4. Therefore here 3 upon 4 we cannot cut. So therefore probability of A is 3 upon 4. Now second event is given getting no head. Second event is given. B is the event of getting no head means there is a tail. Number of B is 1. Therefore probability of B equal to number of B upon number of S. So number of B is how much? 1 and number of S is 4. So our answer is 1 upon 4. The second question is given. If 2 dice are rolled simultaneously, find the probability of following events. So 3 events are given. First of all we will write the sample. So here sample we will get how much? Number of S is 36. The first event is given. The sum of the digit on the upper face is at least 10 means minimum 10, maximum it can be more anything 11, 12. So whose both the dice will add, it is 10, 11 and 12, then we can take in the event A. So here our answer is 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. The addition is 10, 11 and 12. Therefore number of A is 6. To find the probability of A is number of A upon number of S. So number of A is 6 and number of S is 36. 6 and 36 comes in the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. Therefore the probability of A is 1 upon 6. Now the second event is given. B is the event of getting the sum of the digit on the upper face is 33. If we add the last digits dice 6 and 6 is 12, but it is given this event of getting the sum of digit on the upper face is 33. No one is there, so B will be the empty, means number of B will be 0. Therefore probability of B equal to number of B upon number of S. Number of B is 0 and number of S is 36. Therefore answer is what? 0. The third event is given. C is the event of getting the digit on the first dice is greater than the dice digit on the second dice. The first dice will be greater than the second. Like 1, 1 is equal. We can't take 1 and 2. We can't because 1 and 2. Means 1 is smaller than 2. No, we have to take first digit should be greater. So 2 1 will come, 3 1 3 2, 4 1 4 2 4 3, 5 1 5 2 5 3. Means before the same number, like 2 2 is the same number, before that is what, 2 1. 3 3 is the same number, before that whichever number is there we will take. Same way till the year 6 5 will come. Number of C is 15. Probability of C equal to number of C upon number of S. 15 upon 36, both numbers come in the table of 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 12s are 36. Therefore, our probability of C is 5 upon 12. Now, the third sum is given. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the number from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at randomly from the box. Find the probability of event that the ticket drawn. The events are given. So first of all, we'll write a sample. How many numbers are given from 1 to 15 in the box? Therefore, number of S is 15. The first event is given. A is the event of getting an even number. Even number means the number which come in the table of 2. Or we can say whose unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 are the even number. Therefore, number of A is 7. Now here it is told to us to find the probability of the given event. Probability of A equal to number of A upon number of S. Now, number of A's we got 7 and number of S is 15. We cannot cut 7 and 15. So, probability will remain same, 7 upon 15. And the second event is given. B is the event of getting a number which is multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means which come in the table of 5. The numbers are 5, 10 and 15. So, number of B equal to 3. Now, we will use a probability formula equal to number of B upon number of S, means 3 upon 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Therefore, probability of B is 1 upon 5. Now the next one, the fourth question is given. A 2-digit number is formed with the digit 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repeating. What is the probability that the number formed is an odd number or multiple of 5? We have to form the number with the given number. From 2 what we can form 23, 25, 27, 29. From 3 what we can form 32, 35, 37, 39. From 5, 52, 53, 57, 59. 72, 73, 75, 79. 92, 93, 95, 97. Number of S is how much? 20. A is the event of getting odd number. Odd number which are the here? 23, 25, 27, 29, 35, 37, 39, 53, 57, 59, 73, 75, 79, 93, 95, 97. So here number of A is 16. Probability of A equal to number of A upon number of S. So 16 upon 20 we get 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. 4 upon 5 is our answer. The next event is given. B is the event of getting a multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 is which? 25, 35, 75 and 95. This event we have to find from the sample space. So number of B is how much? 4. So probability of B equal to number of B upon number of S. So number of B is 4 upon 20. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Here we get the answer 1 upon 5. I hope you have understood this all 4 sums. Now let's move to the next question. A card is drawn randomly from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is an ace and a spade. So as we know, there are 13 cards in diamond, 13 cards in spade, and 13 cards in heart, and 13 cards in club. Total number of S is 52. The A is the event of getting an ace. How many ace we have? 4 ace. We have diamond ace, spade ace, heart ace, and club ace. So number of A is 4. So here we have to find What student? Probability of A event equal to number of A upon number of S. So number of A is 4, number of S is 52. 4 and 52 come in the table of 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 12 ja 52. So answer is 1 upon 12. Now next question is given. B is the event of getting a spade. So spade, I have the 13 cards. So number of B will be 13 and probability of B equal to number of B upon number of S. Means 13 upon 52. Here we get 13 1 13. 13 4 ja 52. I hope you have understood all the 5 sums. Related to this exercise, more sums I have made question from the question bank which is given by the board. You can watch my next video. In the playlist you can see related sums are there. You can see from there. And thank you for watching this video.